All right, guys, so welcome back, TSLA. So I am seeing more and more people trying to make a video about how Tesla is crashing, no demand, blah, 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 waterfall down, Tesla to zero. Any financial YouTuber that you watch has been pretty much calling for Tesla downside. I mean, I have been calling for this one as well, but my targets were these levels. And what I'm watching right here, right now, when everybody is bearish, when everybody is basically trying to dump or trying to cause a fear, I don't know what they're trying to do, but I try to stay rational, objective, and I don't have a conflict of interest in stocks that I'm covering. If I'm trading something, I'm not going to talk about that stock at all until I get out of the position, and I don't make a video about that stock. So right here, right now, we're talking about Tesla. I did try to trade it right here, maybe slightly bit of a profit because I wasn't sure that it would be waterfall down. Let's say today, because I was trading this week's expiration date options. That's why I just went in and got out. So, and it was like a day trade. So what I'm watching for Tesla from here, I don't have a position. I'm not trading it. Tesla's sitting at 163. All right. And here's my thought. And I don't know if I'm like 100% accurate, 200% accurate, but when market usually goes to one side, this is my strategy. I remain in any condition slightly more contrarian. If a lot of people think that one thing is going to happen, likelihood of that thing happening is very, very low. So you have to be very cautious following the crowd, okay? But Tesla, no doubt, in my opinion, at the moment, market capitalization of Tesla 500, what is it? Let's take a look. Exactly to be $520 billion at 163.50. Do I think Tesla is $520 billion company? No, I do not think so. But at the same time, I don't think Tesla needs to crash 50% right here, right now. Okay. So this is the support level back from the last year's May. So if you bought last May, April in these levels, well, you are breaking even. Okay. So if you take a look at this level 160 back from late April and early May, these were the levels that Tesla held and bounced. And you can see like slowly come down, big flush down, big reversal, boom, boom, and slowly like started ripping, right? So this 152 is my support going into basically for the rest of the March. And you guys know historically April is pretty bullish month. And since this option expiration is over, Tesla is not way oversold, but it's getting little overextended ultra short term. And my contrarian indicator would be if next week Tesla quickly falls 10%, okay? And if overall market corrects as well, I don't know when it's going to happen. Maybe it's going to happen after Jerome Powell. Maybe it will have after NVIDIA earnings. I don't know. But 152. So this is my exact plan. We can come back to it later. So my thought comes, test this level, makes a decent reversal, but then doesn't go straight back up. It just chops for the rest of the March at these levels. And then Tesla reports earnings, I think 19th of April or 17th of April. And I think Tesla can go back to 175, basically this breakdown of a support. So that's my target, basically going into earnings, 175, 182. Okay, I can be totally wrong. That's fine. I trade probabilities. I'm not trading it this one right here, right now. But I think it will come test this 152, and going into next earnings report, it will slowly drift higher. Let's take a look at the options right now. There are a few options that I'm following for Tesla. And the reason why I'm going to put, I don't know, 20 million, 25 million, whatever the million option trade is this guy. So somebody a couple of weeks ago when I covered it for the first time came in, bought 21,000 contracts of Tesla 150 put expiring December 15th, December 20th, 2024. And since then, their shares, I mean, they paid $10.40 on average. Right now, they're almost doubling their money, okay? But they haven't sold it yet. This could be it definitely could be just a hedge, I don't know, but this is just a naked put buy, okay? I tracked it, I saw it live on my trade flash, it did go through here. So, okay. I'm going to be watching this guy, all right, and go back to options. Going into the April 19th, which is big option expiration, there are billions of dollars worth of options about to be expired in a notional value. You can see there are a lot of calls expiring on April, and there are a lot of puts expiring on April. Maximum pain for that week is 190 for April 19th. Okay, so in my opinion, and again, there's a high probability when entire social media that are late to the party, because this drop from $205 $200 levels, even when I was making a video about this one, it has already dropped from these levels. If it comes down to 152, 153, it would be already 25% drop. So what is the probability of Tesla dropping another 20% or 25% from here when everybody in the world is short biased? Very, very low. Usually I act like this when I am trading, and again, you can have any other opinion. That's your opinion. Again, these videos are not, these are purely for entertainment and educational purposes only. But what I'm watching is exactly this scenario. I want to see flush. It can come down to 150, maybe 146. But I will be expecting going into earnings report, Tesla recovered this 25%, not 25%, at least half of this drop recover. Does not matter what's happening with the business, okay? I don't care about what's going on with the business. I care about the price action. In a larger term, in a higher time frame, when you look at it, this stock is in a bear market. This is the worst stock in S&P 500, and it's been making lower highs, lower lows, okay? And my long-term target by the end of the year, TSLA $100. But we'll get to this. I'm not gonna think that this is gonna happen overnight. But TSLA, that's the update. That's what I'm watching. If you have any thoughts, please comment in the comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.